So you're an aspiring fighter, but you don't have a punch bag. So what can you do? So I'm going to take you through a few things that I've done, a few things that might help you guys. So the first things first, get familiar with house cushions. They're great for like a punching bag, if you can. If you have any about your house, unless you get told off by your partner, which is not a good idea. I usually do, but we can do this just on this one occasion. We can use these, and they make a good punching bag. I'm going to bring you on to the next one just next. The next thing you could do is use a mattress. Put it up against a wall or something, or a door somewhere where you can, bend the top part down, because then you can use it for uppercuts. But yeah, so you got this, and then you've also got, you can use this to duck under. So you got this, duck under, bam, 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 and then uppercut. And that's one option. And we're going to go outside in a minute. I'm going to show you another option. Alright, so another option you have is good old trees here. So get yourself down to the park, wherever there's any trees, whack some boxing gloves on, and then go at it. I mean, you don't even need to hit it hard. You can just like tap, 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 tap. Yeah, I used to, when I lived at this shared accommodation, I used to go out for my daily run. I used to always have my MMA gloves with me. And the people I was living with was thinking, why is he taking his MMA gloves out? And that's because we're outside, we're going to go and use the tree, use our environment to our advantage. Another thing you can do is, if you didn't have any boxing gloves, you could use MMA gloves. If failing that, you can also use hand rips or even socks. I mean, socks works good. But yeah, you could also, if you didn't want to just punch straight to a tree, you could have like a yoga mat and tie a yoga mat around it. Yeah, you can also practice with kicks. Great for building up the whole foot power, leg power, ankle power, all that good stuff. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video has helped someone out there out. And I wish I had something like this when I was getting started with the whole fitness and self-development journey. But yeah, I mean, any feedback would be greatly appreciated. Write in the comment section below any thoughts, feelings, any tips for my next video, and I'll see you in the next one.